Hey, everybody knows Central West Virginia Rail van here. We got the train coming. Let's check it out. Here we go. Oh, are you doing it? Oh my goodness! It's the surprise. Oh, that sounds like a Leslie S5T. Wait, man. Yes, that's it. It is a Leslie S5T. It's the same different type of surprise service, spirit of law enforcement. Let's check it out. Revealed in this window. Pride in service. U.S. Army U.S. Armed Forces Service. All right. Look at that. That was beautiful. Leads with the R122 westbound anti-coal train. They headed to the destination to Robinson Run. But I know we're gonna find out. DBU, I see you. I see something. Where is it? A heritage unit. But I'm gonna find out at the end. DBU, I see you. Let's find out. Alright. Here we go. Nope. That's not a heritage unit. It's only the Spirit of Armed Forces of the Price Service unit that relates with the R122 westbound anti-coal train of helpers. So, and there you have it. Someone on their train is CSX R122-27 westbound anti-coal train of helpers that originates from the Grafton, West Virginia, Grafton Yard, heads west to Lumberport, West Virginia, where it terminates at the Console Knot Robinson Run on this Sunday, April 27th, 2025. Joshua on the YouTube channel. Here goes the next video. Roll 'em.